you need some tips, holla at me. I got you. Today we got a Chevy Malibu 2020. We'll go ahead and get this windshield replaced on it. It's got that crack in the glass. Should take about 45 minutes. Get that cowl pulled so you can get a nice, good quality original set. Right tools makes the job flow smooth. This is water. This is the extractor. This gets it done right here. Best friend. This is the windshield we'll be putting in. Gotta clean it. Activator. Utility blade so we can cut the old glue off. Have to get my pipe knife. Some people use different tools to get the glue off. I use this, I prefer this, been using it for 20 years. Always use water to clean. I use glass cleaner for the windshield, but I activate it, so that kind of cleans the debris and the water. And the glass cleaner when I activate it. But when you clean the pinch weld area, the old glue area, just use water. Works better for me. Haven't had any challenges yet. This is, I highly recommend using Sika. This is the best. The primer is the best. If you have scratches on the body, using the Sika products for priming, over the years, haven't had any challenges with this, so I would highly recommend it. Everybody has their own preference, but that's what I like. I'm gonna glue the molding on this windshield. This is extra precaution to guarantee no leaks. No one likes a leaky windshield. That right there is how you seal the deal. We're gonna flip this windshield. We're gonna flip this windshield over, so while it's sitting here, before I put the windshield in, it doesn't get debris. Debris doesn't fall on top of it. This is what prevents rust from occurring from the windshield installation. So if you ever see rust, it's because the previous installer didn't use the primer pad. See that? That only takes not even a minute. I always close off my starting and stopping points because that's where leaks could come in. So close them off with extra glue. A little bit of extra glue won't hurt anyone. close those gaps off. Creates success. Alrighty, we have the glue laid, the glass cleaned and activated, the molding glued down, and now we have all of the gaps closed off and glued down. Now we'll go ahead and set this windshield in and get this client back on the road. See that, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Now we'll get this cowling put back on and we're rocking and rolling. It's been about what, 22 minutes? I know you're probably thinking, how did I do that so fast? I work at a productive pace. The normal installation time should only take 30 to 45 minutes if you don't run into any challenges. I didn't run into any challenges, and we're ahead of time, and the schedule's running perfect. Get the wipers put on. Right now we're putting the clips back in. Looking for the wiper covers. Found them. They were in my tool tray. Almost tricked myself. Don't trick yourself. Alrighty, now we'll get the rear view mirror put back on and get the stickers off, the new stickers off, and Easy does it. Got the mirror on, now we'll get it cleaned. Everything I have, everything I use and need is with an arm's reach away. It's best to have everything you're gonna need for the job ready. That way your job flows smooth. I'm looking at the clock, 30 minutes in. Got my tool tray, I put it back. Now I'm ready for the next job to get the sticker off and call the client down so he can see his beautiful new windshield. Here's a tip of the day for you guys, anybody that use razor blades on glass. When you're taking stickers off, you want to swipe it, like swipe where you're cutting and then lift up. Don't go back and forth like that because you'll scratch the glass, okay? So just swipe it and lift. Swipe and lift. Swipe and lift. Say this is the glass. Here's my other phone. Say this is the glass right here. You want to swipe and lift up. Swipe and lift up. Don't go back and forth. You'll scratch whatever you're trying to clean or remove, okay? That's a $1,000 game right there. All right, here's one more tip. If you all installers climb into the vehicle and you have to step on the side rail pillar, it doesn't take but a couple of seconds to clean it. Get it back to normal. Give your client more than they expect. Have a great day. Cheers.